Okay, sixth grade HVA students at Rolling Hills Elementary School. It's Mrs. Heard-Hixon, and we're looking at our final ELA activity for Tuesday, December 8th, and it is focusing on pronouns. And the instructions are pretty simple. It tells you to read the story below, then rewrite it using a pronoun for each underlined noun or word. So let's talk about what a pronoun is, and I'm just going to box around the word pronoun, draw my little arrow. Okay, a pronoun takes the place of a noun. So a pronoun takes the place of a noun. For instance, instead of me saying Mrs. Heard-Hixon, I can say she. So Mrs. Heard-Hixon is recording videos. I can say she is recording videos. Okay. I could say the students really enjoyed working. Instead of saying the students, I can say they really enjoyed working. So let me tell you why pronouns are important. Pronouns are important because if I don't substitute my nouns with my pronouns, then I'm going to have a constant replay of the same words over and over again, and it's going to make my story or my sentence sound silly. For instance, as we read this passage, I promise you it's going to sound a little extra. Okay? Here we go. My family and the Raleigh family went on a camping trip. My family and the Raleigh family spent 3 nights in Green Tree Park. Green Tree Park is a beautiful place. Dad is in charge of the meals. Dad loves to cook outdoors. As a result, my family and the Raleigh family ate very well. The meals were a treat. The group looked forward to the meals every day. Mrs. Riley led the group on long hikes. Mrs. Riley took the hikers to a different place each Sunday. Seth told stories around the campfire at night. Seth told stories in a scary voice. The small children were afraid to sit next to Seth. One thing you noticed is you heard my family and the Riley family a lot. You heard Green Tree Park multiple times. You heard Seth a whole bunch of times towards the end of the story. And so that is the purpose of pronouns. It makes your story flow in a better way. And so that is the whole purpose when we are doing our best to learn and understand pronouns, is to look at it in that way. All right, so Miss Heard is going to do the first few sentences. Now, Miss Heard is not going to write all out because when I try to write it out, sometimes my screen will stop recording. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to number the things that I have to rewrite. You see that? 1, 2. This one's 3. This one's 4. This one's 5. 6. 7. 8. And 9. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. One thing I also want you guys to understand is that pronouns have either a subject type pronoun or a predicate type pronoun. So what I'm saying is, if I'm talking about Miss Heard loves to spend time with Miss Heard's family, I want to say she loves to spend time with she family, because that just doesn't make sense. So I would say she loves to spend time with her family. So when you are actually rewriting, when you are actually rewriting your pronouns, make sure that they fit in the part of the sentence that you are writing, okay? Let's look. My family and the Riley family went on a camping trip. My family and the Riley family spent 3 nights in Green Tree Park. Thinking about our pronouns, what could we use? Now, I want you to understand that she's showing ownership and possession, so she's a part of this as well. I'm assuming this is a girl. She's a part of this as well, but also another family, which means there are multiple people. So one would actually be we. Oh, sorry, let me scroll down a little bit. One would actually be we. Okay? Let's look at 2. It says Green Tree Park is a beautiful place. Green Tree Park is not a person or a place, it's a thing. So I'm going to use a pronoun that represents a thing. Okay? It is one thing, it's not multiple things, so I'm going to use a single pronoun. And the one that comes to mind for me is it. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do, oh, I skipped that right here. Sorry, guys. Since I didn't put a number on it, I'm just going to put an arrow there so we know that's the dad one, okay? Okay? It says, Dad loves to cook outdoors. Should I say him or he? Him loves to cook outdoors or he loves to cook outdoors? And he makes more sense than saying him. And we'll go ahead and do one more so you guys can get a good understanding of it, okay? Once again, it says, as a result, my family and the Riley family ate very well. Okay? So now I'm going to use a pronoun that represents more than one person. My family, as a result, we ate very well, or they ate very well, or them ate very well. Once again, she is included in this one, so therefore we're going to use the pronoun we. Okay? Now, there's multiple types of pronouns, and I'm going to try my best to kind of write out some pronoun examples for you. You have he, you have his, you have she, you have her, okay, me, I, we, they, us, them, it. I think that's most of them that we're going to use up here. Okay. I just try to give you the ones that we will use in this particular one. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a P over the ones that represents plural. This is a plural one. This is plural. This is plural. And this is a plural one. Okay? That means they represent more than one person. And the other ones represent just one person. Okay? All right. I hope this helps a little bit. Once again, you have any questions, email me heard-hixon.rheshba@gmail.com, or you can call or text me 256-513-8064. All right, guys. That's it for reading. Bye.